Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I review perfumes. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. If you get a chance, give me a thumbs up, a comment, let me know where you're from, or give me an emoji, and also follow if you can. If not, totally fine. So I have another mini haul and oh my god, they just keep coming. I've gotten rid of so many, but I keep buying more, so I'm gonna have to get rid of a whole bunch more. I think a declutter video is in the works because I think I've sold about 10 or 12, but yeah, I have some new ones here, and some of them are brand new, some of them are a little older, and one is very old. Two Middle Easterns, a Chanel, and a Lanvin. Anyways, I haven't done a lot of prep. Normally I do a certain amount of prep work and write things down, but this day I'm just going to a little bit go for it, wing it. So I don't know about this one. Lattafa, Sehr. I don't know. Nothing to see here. Nothing special. Just average run-of-the-mill perfume with the dragon on top. I originally, when I bought it, I thought it was a lanternfish. You know that fish from the deep sea ocean that has the light coming out in front? I kind of thought that that's what it is, but it seems to be a dragon with a ball in his mouth. I don't know. This is like a super duper heavy perfume. I think it was 2023 by Lattafa. Very heavy lid. When it came, I thought it was broken because this part, the sprayer was off and it was put in a molded box. Sorry, the box is downstairs. But it's because the box mold didn't fit the actual bottle if it's put all together properly, which I think is really funny actually. But yeah, not too expensive. I got this from Joma Shop. It actually took a while to come. I'm still getting to know it, and I don't know what to say about this. I do like it. I don't dislike it. So it's like an almondy vanilla, almondy woody vanilla. It's a little bit like Hypnotic Poison. It's a little bit like, I haven't tried Vanilla Sex by Tom Ford, but that's what it's compared to. Anything of the Tardis by Carner Barcelona, any of those kind of vanilla almond scents. So I would say the notes, there's almond, cinnamon, akigala wood, pomerose, which is a chemical, jasmine, vanilla, tonka, amber. Yeah, I would say there's definitely tonka in here. There's definitely amber. I like it. There's nothing innovative. I smell it better today. Yesterday I didn't smell it so strongly when I was spraying it. It's a little bit stronger today. I know people leave me comments saying the Middle Eastern perfumes have to sit and macerate. So I keep that in mind. And yeah, I mean, it's a like, but I really want to talk about this akigala wood. This is like, actually I can read what it says. This is a, what do you call, aroma chemical, and it was created a synthetic molecule reminiscent of patchouli, pepper, and fine agar wood. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. Patchouli gives a nice base to perfumes. Wood also gives a strong base, a little bit of lasting powder. What I find though, so Akigala wood is from Givaudan, that's a perfume company, and they seem to be making a lot of Lattafa perfumes, and in my mind, a lot of them are coming out smelling a little bit the same. Like the first thing I thought was that this one smelled a little bit like Teriyaki by Lattafa, only this one is lighter. Teriyaki is more like almond, not almond, it's like caramel sweet leather. This one is like vanilla almond wood. But in my mind, they're kind of similar. They're probably not if I put them both together, but that's my first smell at that one. Kind of interesting. So the other two, the other two, I picked them up 2 days ago at the post office. So this one is Ajayeb Dubai by Lattafa. So this one has been talked about quite a bit on YouTube and different social media platforms. I also thought the bottle was beautiful. I was very interested in this because it's a mango scent and I really, really like mango. So like this is very bright. This is very bright. So it starts off with orange and lemon, and then it has mango, osmanthus, jasmine, and then oud, sandalwood, and musk. So when I sprayed this one on, the first thing I thought was like, oh, it kind of surprised me because I was expecting a God of Fire, and God of Fire is very, very fruity, very sweet, juicy, mangoey, and this is not. It's a little bit more floral. It's a little bit more green. I'm not sure where the green is coming from. Maybe the osmanthus. And at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I really like it as much. It's mango, it's tropical, it's fruity, but it's more of a drier. So then on my other arm, I sprayed Lanvin, A Girl in Capri. So this one has been out a couple of years, but I've been wanting to try this one because I really like citrus. This is like a citrus aromatic with a little bit of water or C note. Yeah, so the top is gorgeous. So when I first sprayed them on, I did Ajayeb Portrait Dubai on left, and I did Girl in Capri on right. And I was like, Ajayeb, oh, I don't know if I like that one. And Girl of Capri, I was like, ooh, I really like that one. I really love the lemon, citrus, bergamot top. The dry down is wood and musk, and I like that a lot. But as the day progressed, or no, it didn't last a full day, but like a couple hours, I liked Girl of Capri a little bit less, and I liked Ajayeb Portrait Dubai a little bit more. But now today I'm back to liking Girl of Capri. I think the problem is C notes, which often is just like a nice way of saying cologne. Was it Kalone, I think? It's a chemical that smells like water or seaweed, and not seaweed, water or seawater. Sometimes that doesn't hit me right, and like right now I'm loving this. I'm loving Girl of Capri, and it's very, very bright, it's very fresh, it's very summery, just like the bottle says. It is something that is really, really pretty. It also has grapefruit blossom. That's what it almost smells a little bit like neroli to me, the grapefruit blossom. I love the smell of grapefruit, I figured out. It is one of my favorite notes. Yeah, so honestly, I really, really like both of these, and I'm going to try them out more, but I would say both, considering the price. So both of them I bought from Joma's shop. They were both, I think, like $30, $40. I can't remember exactly. But gorgeous, beautiful, tropical perfume, citrusy perfume, beautiful, beautiful buys. Highly recommended. The last one was an impulsive blind buy that I don't even know what I think about. It came yesterday and I was spraying it this morning. And there's one, this is recommended. This has come recommended. And it's, I should show it to you. It's Chanel Beige. And obviously it's more than half empty, which was totally fine for me. Like, who needs 200 milliliters of a perfume? Like, that's just ridiculous. Sorry, I shouldn't say it's ridiculous. It's not ridiculous. If you love it and it's your favorite perfume, you buy a bucket of it, girl, and you just go for it. So this one, what year did this come out? This has been out a while. So this is part of the Les Exclusifs line, and it came out in 2016. So this is, I believe, the Eau de Parfum, and it is filled with frangipani flower, honey, freesia, and hawthorn. So it comes off as, I think, tropical floral and honey. Yeah, honey. So yeah, I was really curious to try this one because I want to try all the Les Exclusifs, and let's face it, they're crazy expensive, and it's harder to get samples of them. Yeah, so this one, it's pretty. The first thing I thought was, this is a classic old school, I don't know, lady who lunch. Everyone in my family has always worn Chanel. There's definitely a Chanel DNA in there, for sure. And there's a little bit of that sort of animalistic dry down that might be a little off-putting, and it's a little off-putting to me too. It is like, it's pretty, but it's a little bit adjacent to Chanel No. 5 in the animalistic note, if you know what I mean. But this is not a love for me. I'm just going to be straight up. I will keep this for a while. I will try it. Who knows? Maybe I will fall in love with it. I only opened it this morning. But that's part of the fun, right? Trying things, seeing what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Anyways, those are my new blind buys. I hope you enjoyed those reviews. Have you tried any of them? What are your thoughts? And please leave me a flower down below if you're still watching. I would love if you subscribed. And have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.